On now.
What a waves, man. 7th of December, 1994. Wild. Come on, buddy, get off the road for that jump. Shot to the sun. I want a stinking set of fucking wipers. Get a long shot of the car working, yeah? Watch this one. You get a big one there once down. Put one other in there and look across there too, right? You ready to move?
Wipers on.
They don't fucking work. Miserable fuckers. Right now. Across the beach here, debris everywhere. Spikes and logs. Ford Mahaney's truck broke down, got wet. Oh man, look at this here. We're going to the monsoon here now. Hang on, Jerry, we gotta get this on film, man. Come on, baby. Come on with a big wave. Right up over. Come on. Oh, baby. Going across the Alps here now. We're gonna get some live, really flex down here. Come back and park here. Oh man, that went up in the air of 50 feet. Oh, shit.
Watch out for bodies.
Oh Christ, I just ran over a car. Now, Jerry, we're going to haul in here and get a good view. We're going this way or we get on the way back. We'll go over there when the people stand up and get a picture. Great water, all these washed out here, look. This is the real life. All they want to be sunk once we'll go down on here once for the good one, right? You wanna go stand up behind the corner of the building there and get a shot of the beach?
No, I'm not getting this.
Jerry, I go down the walk there. Gotta get a bit turn before now. These are these Cadillacs snowed in. I'll zoom in on the coal shed there now. I'll just fall in right here. Just put down there. I don't know. I'll in the window here and get a better one. Move ahead a little bit and we'll get it laid out.
No, sorry.
Parts of work by Earl's tool up on the fat stuff. Sea is really dirty, boy. Store up some stuff. Got a good one in the shade, can't get the mirror or nothing. I'll get far later with you, better one.
No, that's good.
Well, what fucking full fun is like these beach down there. We'll get a shot of that too when we get down there. Up on Harbour Rock Hill, historical site. Look at the tail of the island and the Bishop's Old Point, whitecaps flying in the air. Hey, the plan. You're banging the meat, every boy. Hey, make it out! My favorite brother down there shoveling snow. You never get snow. Look at the video. Look at the trees. Fuck all over. Boughs in the snow everywhere. Frank Pike in there cooking his nose. This Frank Pike right there on the tractor, shoveling out father-in-law. There's Wayne and Valerie. Oh, a mohawk. Give it to her there, buddy. CBC. Look at the branches down there, Jerry, look. I know this place wasn't wild last night, but look at the trees and that around. Want to take the route now behind the old hospital, going down to Dead Man's Gulch. That windshield dirty when it cleared off the snow? I'm clean over here. You had a handful of snow. That there, get it all wet for you. Hello, buddy! We're doing a story for W5 on the storm hit the East Coast. Stagecoach, bottom of Crocker's Cove. They're getting everything in the truck. Okay? Partner? Charlie Sober got all the setting gone off his rope. This makes a good oil there. Can't stop till right up my arse. There is the oil there, parts of it. Okay, partner?
Yeah.
Let me get down here and get a good view of it. Oh, for fuck's sake, fucking play off. Taking the snowplow back up. Oil here. Rocket stove, right across the road from Jerry Oaks. Here's when they hear those shortly talking to us. Covering for CJON. It's coming around, Jerry, give you a fright, Jerry. Get coming on your side, Jerry, look.
Huh?
Coming on your side.
Oh, she's a star everyone today, alright?
How are you thinking of it all?
Is any damage done or what? What's damage done?
Well, there's damage done everywhere.
Got a transformer blown, right?
Where down
If you repair that, that's all to it, eh?
the wire night down here last night?
Oh.
You see coming right up there, was it?
Oh, yeah. Last night. Yeah, I'm going to do that before the girl will leave.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Fucking jumped off right here. That's right last night, man. Jesus, windy. If I know she was bad outside last night, I don't know.
Little bungalow snowbound, 2 screws in the shed, grinding their skis and waiting to scratch at the weather. Have a good time shoveling there, young fellas. Louise shovel, huh?
Whatever's down there.
Real low road now.
Every day of the week, Jade on Oz FM.
What kind of winter blowing out here, look?
36. The dog patrol's on overtime today. How are you
Winter
holding
blowing
up, buddy? Huh?
It's interesting, it's busy, it's hectic, and
Oh, man, don't be
a
talking.
lot of people still without the power.
Yes. Now, what can you tell us about that? Do you have an update? or-
Newfoundland Power says, as we stand right now, about 24 power lines are down, a dozen poles in the rotating through the city, through the eastern Avalon. As a matter of fact, Newfoundland Telephone also asking residents of Mount Pearl to use phones in emergency situations only. A lot of calls from Mount Pearl coming into St. John's area, and an overload is causing problems. The entire telephone system, remember, on the Avalon, the Burin, the Bonavista Peninsulas, and the East Coast is on battery backup without the juice. And
what were you saying the winds were gusting
Eh?
to earlier? Out of
What?
Gander,
Can't I guess?
they said a record.
No, I can't. I never pick up nothing there.
And 58 clicks an hour. Wow. And they had 37 centimeters of snow in Gander.
We'll get her on the way back.
What you folks did to deserve this.
There's too much old stuff on the windshield here.
I'd say the big grins on the faces of skiers, but that's about it. Snowmobile enthusiasts, of course,
Hey,
are
partner.
pretty happy about all
Seen some
this.
snowmobiles in St. John's.
Yes, I have too.
We're down here now.
In the studio up here on Logan Bay Road, but the roads now, a lot of them
Fold
are
and roll off, look at that.
Well, I don't know. I've been talking to a few folks here at the office who did the elements and come in, and they told
Okay.
me that the main thoroughfares are not bad at all, but there are still some areas that haven't been touched and probably won't be until the plows get a chance to get a bit tricky, so take your time. Due to the weather, due to the power problems that we were having earlier this morning, and we continue to have, myself, Larry, and Deborah decided earlier this morning, today being our last day for the AP qualifiers for the
Definitely had to be
Canadian
boiled down here
SS Russ
last
Island
night.
Tour contest, right? This is the one where I shouldn't be talking about this now during this snowstorm, but I'm going to the Caribbean, and I've got a chance
what a
to
rush.
take you and friends with me. And we're going to go on this 360-foot triple sailing ship. It's the most Canadian SS Ross Island Tour. Today, we were looking for our 2 final qualifiers. However, with many folks offline with power, not everybody has battery operated radio. We would have had phone problems too. So we decided to
Bridge is
postpone
gone. Watch
everything by
this,
a day. So we'll look for our final 2 qualifiers on Monday coming at 7:10 and 8:10. Then we'll have the grand
Check
prize
that fish
draw
can
on
when it
Tuesday
takes easy a
morning
good one.
with the Molson Canadian SS Rocks Island Tour.
I'll be back with an update.
Men's and women's style start at just
Thank you, eat it cool, huh?
which means you can still afford the
We had
best
some sea last night.
the comfort and joy and clothes that work. From Mark.
Mark's Work Warehouse in the Village Shopping Center. Now on home video, Cool Runnings. The hilarious comedy hit that made moviegoers stand up and cheer, starring John Candy. Memorial University of Newfoundland,
After the fish box,
the Marine
Rummage
Institute,
rats.
will remain closed for the day. However, the Munn Library will be extended.
There you go, buddy. More junk you go behind your shoes.
Wanting to get in
Don't
and
fret.
do a little bit of studying, understand there were some exams scheduled for today at Munn.
This
and
is a hard
obviously
time
they had to be
for me,
postponed.
brother-in-law.
But if you're wondering if you can get into the library, the QE2 library.
Beachcomber just picked up the box.
Don't fret.
Will be extended, okay? So once again, Memorial, including
Can you see the one here?
will remain closed.
Disaster on Lower Road.
Will be extending its hours over the weekend for students. There's Amy Grant, House of Love on House FM.
You went to ranch? You follow down there shoveling. Go down there, boys. You're two monsters. What do you got there? Kerosene.